Good day everyone, I'm Teacher Barch, and for today's video I will teach you on how to evaluate limits. Shall we say we are tasked to evaluate the following. Number 1, the limits of 7x minus 1 as x approaches to 2. All you need to do is focus on the approaches, then substitute it to the variable x. It will become 7 times 2, we have 14. Then bring down minus 1. As we all know, 14 minus 1, that is equals to 13. Therefore, that is our final answer. Let's move on to our next example. Next, we have the limits of a polynomial function. Focus on the approaches we have as x approaches to 2. Therefore, lahat ng x dyan ay lalagyan ng open and close parentheses. Then, ilagay nyo si 2. Minus 2. Then, nakakita kayo ng x, open and close parentheses, raised to 6 plus 9. Next, ilagay nyo si 2 inside the parentheses. Okay? We have 2 and 2 to the other parentheses. Lagyan nyo ng 2. Afterwards, simplify the number inside the parentheses. With the exponent, we have 2 to the power of 7, that is equals to 1 to 8. Minus 2. Then, times 2 raised to 6. 2 to the power of 6, that is 64, plus 9. Then, input these values to your calculator. Then, we will come up to 777. Let's proceed to our third problem. We have the limits of a constant function. All you need to do is copy lang ang number. Okay, we have 300. Never mind the approaches. The next, we have number 4. We have the limits of a power of function. Kapag makita kayo ng x, lagyan nyo ng open and close parentheses, copy lang ang mga given number. Okay? 8, the open and close parentheses, minus 5. Then, lagay nyo si negative 2 sa loob ng parentheses. Afterwards, multiply 8 times negative 2. That is negative 16. Copy lang si minus 5. Okay? Then, copy close and open parentheses raised to 6. Simplify first the values inside the parentheses. Since same sila ng sign, we have negative. All you need to do is copy the common sign, which is negative, then add the two numbers. If you are subtracting the same sign, then all you need to do is change the operation and copy the sign. Magiging negative 21 raised to 6. And this is now our final answer. Then, abangan nyo ang 5th problem natin sa sunod natin mga video. If meron kang natutunan, don't forget to like and subscribe para updated po kayo sa mga panibago kong uploads. Have a nice day. Thank you so much for watching. Babu!